Fall is here, and it is finally cool outside. In fact, I may not have worn the right jacket. A few weeks ago, we went to the Bed-Stuy Aquarium. If you missed that episode, go check it out. And the reason I did that was because it may not be there for that long. Today, we're going to another place that it may be closing soon. So this may be one of my last opportunities to go there. We're heading downtown. Let's go. I don't miss driving a truck in the city. Today we're in an area called NOLITA, which is north of Little Italy, and we're going to a place called the Elizabeth Street Garden, which strangely enough is on Elizabeth Street. The Elizabeth Street Garden is a city-owned park that's been leased out to someone to privately run, but the city's decided they want it back to build affordable housing for seniors. So the park's got to go. This is a neat and quiet little place. It's an incredibly quirky little park with lots of sculptures and just random things, but it's peaceful and the community really likes it. Lots of places to sit and relax. Very peaceful spot. It's a very nice little garden. At this point, I think the park has been given 2 weeks to vacate by the city. There is an open lawsuit, and they're fighting to keep it open, but it's hard to say. nice little park. Lots of people sitting at the little tables, doing work in the peace. It's nice. I really hope a lot more people get to see this, but I think at this point you better be quick, because it may not be here for much longer. Elizabeth Street Garden. I hope you get to see it too. All right, let's go find the subway again. I'm back up to the east side. If you're just finding the channel, be sure to check out all the rest of the episodes that are already available up to the east side on YouTube. And please consider subscribing. Tell your friends about it. Maybe have them subscribe too. Stay connected. Come with me on my next adventure. I'll see you next time.